If you have time to watch TV, you have time to work on your dreams and change your life. What I am looking for is not out there, it is in me. Helen Keller. The way we behave today is directly related to our belief in the future. Worry comes from a lack of purpose. It comes from not having a big why for your life. Their domestication which has taught them how imperfect they are. It is a gift from God. It is breathed into you, and once you receive it, you feel both peace and excitement. As you improve yourself, those around you benefit and are themselves improve. I believe one of the greatest gifts you can give to another person is being fully present with them. It's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it. C.S. Lewis. Do not listen to its voice. Worry is a liar. People cannot sustain behavior that is inconsistent with their beliefs. What if you woke up tomorrow with only those things you gave thanks for today? It does not good to bury your head in the sand, metaphorically, and ignore it. All that truly exists, after all, is today. A house built on a strong foundation can weather many storms. There is a difference, a profound difference, between having a plan and having a purpose. If we do not know why you are doing something, it's easy to give up on the plan. I believe that there is a purpose for everything. Love is the energy that creates this universe and holds it together. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. If what has happened makes us happy, we call it good. If it causes pain, we call it bad. Just like a movie, our lives are simply a series of individual movements, snapshots in time.